friends, welcome to Guitar. Cody Johnson. Is that the first time? No, couldn't be. Can't remember that he's been here before. Anyway, we had like thousands of songs. Could be that I forgot about him, but I've listened to him before for sure. The fall. That is what we're going to focus on now, not the past, the fall. Now let's go into the tutorial with a capo on third, absolute best scenario for us. 4 chords. Let's start with A minor. A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. From that we're going to go to the F major 7, and I'm going to use the full bar chord now. We have 2 versions of it normally, but this is better with full bar chord. So what you're going to do here, it could be a little bit tricky to get that chord, but from A minor it's actually very, very easy. You keep that from A minor, okay, so the second fret D and second G. You keep that from A minor and you just go with index finger on the first fret. You push down all string there as a bar, and then with a little pinky you go up to the 3rd fret A string and get that note. Okay, so from A minor to this, voila, and that is magic. You have this F major 7. So again, a bar on the 1st fret, push down all strings, then 3rd A, 2nd D, and 2nd G added. All right, that's the F major 7. Then we have the C G chord. So that goes 3rd E, 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally we have the G. And that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so A minor, F major, C, G, and G, that's what's going on. Now, first let's look into the melody. Okay, so we're gonna have 1 melody per chord here, and we're gonna start with the A minor. And this one is the little bit more trickier one of them. Okay, so it starts. Okay, so you have your little pinky on this 5th fret E string, because when he plays that, the instruments are tuned down, so we need to find ways to have this, and this is the absolute best scenario. That's the reason I'm having the capo on 3rd, and a little bit different setup here with your grips and so on. So anyway, 5th E, then 2nd A, and with that 2nd A, I slide into the 3rd A. So I use my index finger, and I slide into 3rd, okay? I don't pick 2nd, 3rd, I slide in. Just pick the 1st, 2nd, and slide into 3rd. Then you're gonna play open G. And since you are on 3rd, you're gonna play that again, 3rd A. And then you go down to the 2nd G. That's a little bit the trickier part here, to go from this and just get that note. It's not too hard, you just have to have the timing right. So sorry I slipped there. Yeah, I need some practice as well, you can hear that, but anyway, that is the right playing. That is the A minor part. Then go into the F, okay, and it goes. That is to play 1st fret E string, 2nd A, 3rd A, open G, 3rd A, and 2nd D. Next CG part is to play. So you hold the grip as it is, and you're going to play 3rd A, 3rd E, 3rd A again, open G, 3rd E, and 2nd D. And then finally we have the G part. It goes. So that is to play 3rd fret E string, 2nd A, open D, 3rd A, and 2nd A. That 3rd A, I add on this little pinky in front of that 2nd A, which I'm keeping there in the background. So I have that pinky and I release it to get the 2nd A. All right, so that is a melody, 1 round, and then after that we're gonna play just simple strumming pattern for all of these chords, round and round in the same way. So the order we know now, it's the A minor, it's the F major 7, C, G, and G, and the strumming pattern, if you grab the first A minor chord, 1 round is about 4 downs. I try to emphasize the third down. I'm playing on the bass strings for all of the downs, but the third down, I try to really go and get these higher strings down there. Okay, so bass, bass, top, bass. That is one string round. So. Okay, so basically 4 downs, and you're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord, the same chord progression, so that gives us A minor 2, F2, CG2, and G2 like this. That's it, guys. Cody Johnson, the fall, the rise, but not the fall for you guys. You're gonna be better and better. Practice. So thank you for being here on this channel, because you are the reason for it. You want to see it, and I want to teach you. So thank you for being here, and I'm happy to educate you guys. If you enjoy this, then feel free to support me here. That is very important. It means a lot to me. So thank you, and play tuned.